Guys, guess who's back with a brand new video? It's me. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited. I get to bring you a new project. And guess what? Down below you can see it. We have a lifetime deal again. We are bringing these thick and fast, ready for you to blow your business up. Let's get straight into it. Thank you for all the support. It's about to go down. So here we go, it's Optinly.com, super excited for this. So what is it? Okay, this builds smart email pop-ups, engages visitors and monetizes traffic using Optinly pop-up maker. Okay, so you can create website pop-ups that your visitors would love to engage with, boost sales and conversation with the best lead generation tool around, no design and development skills required. So growing your email list is the number one. So you can see at the top, they've got a new product launch coming up. It pops up. Okay, there's 18 hours left. You're probably watching this. It's probably over, but if you got in time, let me know in the comments. Okay, going down. So we have the features, the pricing, the blog, the doc support at top, and login. Now, please do not click anything until you have clicked that link down below, because there's a lifetime deal that I'm going to tell you in about 5 minutes into this video. All right, I'm going to tell you about that lifetime deal, and it's going to save you hundreds of thousands of dollars using the same company. So going down, integrates with WordPress and Shopify. Okay, companies that trust, you can see big ones here: Flowcast, Kindness, English Buzz, things like that. They've got 100+ ready-made templates, 5,000+ companies trust them, and 1,000+ 5-star reviews. Now that's a lot of bloody reviews, right? How Optimally can help grow your business. We got drag and drop builder. That's create endless types of pop-ups with our drag and drop builder. They've got the grab visitors' attention, so show visitors what they need at the right time and at the right place. They got increased conversation rate, making visitors take desired actions and achieve your business goals. They've got collecting feedback, so no website visitors think about your brand and your store. Grow your email list, of course. Capture more visitors and grow your email list by displaying pop-ups. Increase the cart value, so double your store's revenue by offering them tailored and personalized discounts. Huge benefits. Now, the goal-based website pop-ups for every existing business goals. Not all businesses want to grow their email list, okay? So some want to increase e-commerce sales, while others would want to reduce cart abandonment. Now, with Optinly on board, no goal is hard to achieve, whether it's growing your email list or increasing your sales. Optinly does the job pretty well every single time. Like I said, you got increasing the sales, conducting surveys, promote special offers, grow your email list. Huge products coming on here. And remember, there's a link down below that is going to blow your mind how much I can save you. You can come into this website and use their pricing, which I'm going to show you, or you can listen to me and trust me, I'm going to save you a lot of money. Now, let's have a look at the different kind of pop-ups. We've got the exit pop-ups, the full screen overlays, the spin the wheel, the side-in pop-up, the floating bars, the countdown timers. Okay, that's the reason that 5,000+ customers love using it. You can see the reviews at the bottom. Okay, 100+ highly responsive pop-up templates. Look at them. I've never seen more professional templates. Okay, integrate with top 20 ESPSs and webhooks. If you don't know what some of these are right now, you need to get back into the space and start growing. Let me take you to the pricing. Are you ready to be blown away? Okay, I'm going to go to the top right now. I'm going to click pricing and show you how much everything I've just talked about costs. If you want to try it for free, okay, you can only have 2,500 views, single site usage, free pop-up templates. That's not a bad shout to try it for free, okay? But if you want to actually get in this, if you are serious about this, $9 a month, that's it. That's cheap, you agree? And $25 a month for the top package. What if I told you I could save you hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in a lifetime if you just click the link down below? Let's see what you get here. 15,000, massive. 25,000, massive jump. Everything in free plus, 5 sites, $9 for every additional site, 120+ premium templates, spin the wheel pop-ups, pop-up launcher, full screen overlays, countdown timers, a priority support. Now, on 3, we're going to click that link down below, and I'm going to show you how much money I'm about to save you. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's going to take you to this site, okay? All you're going to do, we have different tiers. You're going to scroll down, okay? Have a look. It's going to tell you all the same stuff I've just told you. What I want to get to is how much this is going to cost us. So we got the plan and features. Like I said, you got lifetime access to Optimally, all future growth plan updates, no codes, no stacking. Just choose the plan that's right for you. So just choose what's right for you. And if it's not right for you, you get a 60-day money back guarantee. You could try it out for 2 whole months without paying a penny if you don't like it. If you like it, you just carry on paying as you were. And it's GDPR compliant, your ability to upgrade and downgrade between 5 licenses. Features include an all plan, 75+ team premium templates like we spoke about, exit intent technology, 6 pop-up type forms, 12 email service, advanced target, everything that we've already talked about is in there. Have a look at these prices, people. Have a look. License tier 3, $177. You're thinking, that's a lot of money, George. That is a lot of money. You get 25 sites, all the features above included, and a drag and drop editor. Let's compare this. $25. You get 5 sites. What do we get? 25 sites. already is a lot more. If we times that by 5, we might be on par, okay? If you want to pay $9 for every additional site, feel free. It would cost you, doing calculations off the top of my head, hundreds of dollars. Now, what I want to point out is not only do you get, with clicking that link down below, not only do you get a lot more sites, a lot more features, you also get the fact that you never ever have to pay a monthly fee again. $25 a month. And this is $177 once. No $9 extra for a website, nothing. Once. You pay that and it is done. If you want to just stick with the 5 sites, it's $59. So you got to think, after 3 months, and bearing in mind, 2 months of them, you can get back if you don't like it. 3 months and you have just saved yourself money. 3 years, you've saved yourself hundreds of dollars. 30 years, you are going to come and find me, give me a cuddle, shake my hand and say, you have saved me thousands and thousands of dollars. It's ridiculous to pay a monthly fee when you can click that link down below like I've just done and pay a one-time purchase fee, okay? Please use that link. I'm going to shoot to the summary now, but I am super excited about this. Let me know in the comments if you've clicked that link, please. So guys, let me know if you loved this by hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please keep supporting us in the comments. We do appreciate you all. More lifetime deals to come, but for right now, get down and click that link. I've showed you why, showed you how. Until next time, have a very blessed day and I'll see you there.